this video, I will show you how to view bank statement on the Standard Bank app. Viewing and downloading transaction and transaction history in the app is easy and takes only a few steps. So first and foremost, go ahead and head over into their website. Go to international.standardbank.com or go to wealthandinvestment.standardbank.com. Click on sign in into your account and go to internet banking. For wealth and investment clients, click on login and transact and go to international online. Sign in with your digital ID, banking app, or standard app online banking details. You may be asked to check your email for your verification code, so please enter this and click on the submit button to proceed on signing into your account. So this is a necessary step. On your homepage, click on the view accounts button. From there, go ahead and click on transaction history. So you'll usually find that buttons at the right side of your screen on your homepage on the transaction section. So at the top right of that transaction history, you'll be able to find a download or print option. So you can go ahead and download a copy of your transaction history as a PDF or CSV file. You can also print a copy of the transaction history by clicking on the print button. You can filter by date, inward and outward transactions, and by specific text. Use the menu to continue online banking. And that is how you can simply view bank statement and Standard Bank app. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.